So there are two main centers that have really produced the bulk of research in family quality of life. And this is how they have conceptualized the multidimensionality that characterizes family quality of life. So although framed somewhat differently, you can see that they've used sort of different titles for their domains. Research that has compared how well the two measures sort of overlap, or the degree of distinction between the two, actually shows that there's sort of significant overlap in the content that's covered. And I think what's really important about these two research centers is that both sought extensive sort of community feedback when they were developing these measures. So feedback from families of children with a range of disabilities, from service providers, from sort of other researchers, and as well as self-advocates. So it's it's sort of nice to know that these were actually informed by the participant group of interest, or the population of interest. So the Beach Center Family Quality of Life Scale is one both Vanessa and I have used in research, and it's, I think, by far the most commonly used tool. And that's because it sort of provides sort of the best and broadest snapshot when you're trying to access a broad range of participants and not have too high a kind of a response burden on them. So this is a 25 item tool that covers 5 domains of quality of life. Family interaction, which refers to the relationships among and between family members. Parenting, meaning the kinds of activities families engage in to facilitate their child's development. Emotional well-being, just like someone brought up, involving perceptions of stress and availability of support. Physical and material well-being, so this refers to sort of how satisfied families are that their basic sort of physical and health needs are met, like access to medical support or transportation. And then disability-related support, which includes supports across community contexts, including school, work, and home. And question responses, it's a closed-ended tool, so responses range from very dissatisfied to very satisfied. It takes about 20 minutes to complete, and it's a psychometrically valid tool. And here's a quick snapshot of the first 5 questions. So my family enjoys spending time together. That's looking at, that would tap into the family interaction domain. We help children learn to be independent. That's parenting. Has the support we need to relieve stress. That's emotional well-being. Same with have friends or others who provide support. And my family members help the children with schoolwork and activities. That's also parenting.
Okay.